Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money using TapTap Send to JazzCash. So let's get started. Now, to transfer money to JazzCash using TapTap Send, once you open your TapTap Send account, you would first need to select Pakistan as the recipient country in this upper menu right here. So once you selected Pakistan, you would be able to input a promo code if this is your first transfer. So if you use the promo code from the description below, you will get extra $15, pounds, and euros on your first transfer when using TapTap Send. So don't miss that opportunity to get some extra funds on your first transfer, because once you make your first transfer, you won't be able to use a promo code again. So once you input the promo code, you would need to input the amount of funds that you would like to send. So let's say, for example, 10 euros that I will be sending to JazzCash. Now, once you inputted the amount of funds, just go ahead and tap on the next button right here. And here, let's go ahead and add a recipient. So just go ahead and tap on add recipient. Next up, you would need to select a recipient's delivery method, so the way that they will receive the money that you're sending. Now we will select JazzCash for this. And right here, you would just need to input a phone number of that person that you're sending money to. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. Now, after you inputted the phone number, just go ahead and tap on check details. And then the name that's associated with that phone number will automatically pop up. So if the details are correct, then just go ahead and tap on confirm, and here is your quick order roundup. So on this screen you have one less chance to add a promo code, so to do that you can just tap on add a promo code and then input it right here, just like this. Once you input the promo code, just go ahead and tap on enter, and it will be applied to this amount right here, as you can see under the bonus credit. So last thing that you would need to do is you can change the payment method. So I have it set to my Google Pay, one of my cards, and I will leave it at that because it doesn't have any fees. And then once you selected the payment method, just go ahead and tap on pay right here, and the payment will be made. So guys, that's how you can transfer money using TapTap Send to JazzCash in Pakistan. Thank you for watching.